Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope that you all are bright and shiny. I'm also bright and busy. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you a structure. Using this structure, we can make lots of sentence in English. Well, the structure is how about plus verb plus ing. That means কেমন হয়. Well, without delay, let's get started. ফুটবল খেললে কেমন হয়? How about playing football? ক্রিকেট খেললে কেমন হয়? How about playing cricket? ভাত খেলে কেমন হয়? How about eating rice? ঘুরতে গেলে কেমন হয়? How about roaming around? In this way, you can make lots of sentence by this structure. So, if you want to get this type of videos from my page, please like, follow, and subscribe my page. Thanks for watching my videos.